Hi, my name is Sandy Green. Currently, I teach band and orchestra at 4 elementary schools in Colorado Springs at Colorado Springs District 11. I've taught for over 20 years and have taught previously before moving to Colorado. I taught in Kinsley and Oakley, Kansas. I'm currently working on a master's degree in educational administration for an elementary principal licensure, and I enjoy the outdoors of Colorado, and I will be taking in some hiking and camping and canoeing and that sort of thing along the Pikes Peak region over the summer. I look forward to um, learning more information in this class, and I look forward to meeting each one of you. And thank you so much for watching my video, and have a great day. Thanks.